Well, here we are. Welcome to Quilt Market, Houston, 2019. And instead of pitching anything, I just want to say congratulations to my friend Deb, Stitchin Haven. I understand you just cut the ribbon. Tell me about it.
We did. We just cut the ribbon on a 17,500 square foot building in Quitman, Texas, population 1,809.
Wow.
Yeah, we started in Quitman. People who have followed us know that we started in Quitman in 1996. We were there for 17 years. We built a phenomenal business, and we thought we were about to lose our lease.
Right.
So we moved 10 miles up the road to Mineola, population 4,500.
Wow.
So we doubled our population.
right. 4,500.
We enjoyed 6 years there of prosperity, and then Quitman came to us and they said, we want you to own home. And they made us an offer we couldn't refuse in their business park. So we now own 7.5 acres in a business park where we are going to not only have our 17,000 square foot building,
Right.
we're going to have a retreat center, 6,800 square feet with tiny houses.
Wonderful for the lodging, so you can do retreats overnight. Oh, I've got to get out there. I know you invited me last time.
Yes.
We're working on it. We're
We're going to make it happen.
We are going to make it happen. Absolutely. It's just so fun and wonderful to see. I heard the stories early on, but I want to encourage all of you, if you haven't been watching what's going on, the whole family over at Stitchin Haven has been making these wonderful videos. They're putting a bunch of stuff together on their YouTube channel. They're really using technology and the internet to share with you all what they're doing out there. And I got to see this wonderful fire brigade of fabric moving throughout the It's wonderful. Please go check out the videos. Send some love over to Deb and the family. They're doing great. Make sure you get to see that new shop. I can't wait to come see the new shop.
I know. I can't wait to see it either. It's
Fantastic.
beautiful.
Okay, so make sure everybody knows, is it open 7 days a week already? It's open, right?
Oh yes, we're open Monday through Saturday,
Okay.
10 to 5.
Right.
And we, of course, are open online 24 hours a day. And we invite everyone to, we've got a new YouTube channel.
Right.
So Stitchin Heaven is our YouTube channel.
Right.
Go join, subscribe to our channel, because not only do we do tutorials, which is the traditional style, but we do a lot of interviews, we do a lot of just information, a lot of industry news. So there's lots to see.
And lots of fun, and that's what it's
Lots
all
of
about.
fun, exactly. Lots of giveaways, of course.
Yes.
And ways to make it interesting.
Fantastic.
And it's all about the experience. We love the Stitchin Heaven experience.
Well, I just wanted to say congratulations. Let everybody know what you are all doing out there. Check them out. Give me a hug, Deb. I like to get back to work.
Gotta go.
Awesome. Gotta go. Thanks, everyone.
Love you guys.